So welcome back guys to another interesting video. Guys, in this video I will be providing you with the STG Game Turbo module by which you can increase FPS in any low-end devices. So guys, without wasting any time, so let's dive into the video. Guys, so first open the STG Game Turbo. Guys, you can download this Game Turbo from Play Store as it is published in the Play Store. After opening it, go to the third option, because in this video I will be teaching you how you can run module. Guys, as you can see that my Shizuku permission has already been opened. You can watch our previous video to learn how to open Shizuku. After then, go down and search for the select module file. Get the select module file, click here simply and find the module. Go to downloaded folder and go to the folder where you have saved the module. As my module is in this folder, simply I click this. As you can see that here are the module name and what the module do. Now simply click fetch module and click apply changes. Guys, as you can see that the module has been started running. All the optimization has started running. It will hardly take a few seconds for the installation. Yes, after the installation, you have to just click go back and simply restart your device. So guys, if you like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.